Alright then, ceiling fan man. Recording.
Xbox.
I would have been.
record this.
It's okay, you got an audience now. Please show
like
yourself.
having your-
Ceiling fan man. Side. Ceiling fan man.
Over here.
Oh shit.
Cool guy. It's safe
really
over
hurt.
here next to this burned out car.
No, I just
at
seen
it.
him come
Cool
over
guy,
here.
it's safe.
He's about to drop one on
Oh
us.
shit.
I see him fly over. Oh,
There it is.
yep. Don't make me call the ceiling fan man.
No,
Holy
don't say moderator. Oh no.
Ceiling fan man.
No. No. Authority.
Bar
They don't
owner?
like authority, okay?
Oh god, this is. Hold up now. What in ceiling fan man?
What in the redneck?
Hello, sir. This is mall security. Hey, that's ceiling fan man. It's cool. Ceiling fan man. Ceiling fan man. Hey, ceiling fan man. I want an autograph. Oh shit.
Damn, cool guy's got a chrome fucking fighter.
Bro,
jet,
you
dude.
just
Look at
crashed
cool guy.
your grocery getter.